everyone and welcome back to our channel. Ingredients I would share is tomato pasta. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the second ingredients that we are going to cook is tomato pasta. So what we need to do, we add olive oil again, just to saute all the ingredients. And let it heat for a while. And then you can add garlic. You can also put onion if you would like, but I prefer just lots of garlic. It's better taste. And saute them. It's delicious already. Smells delicious. So now we can add our fresh tomato. You can choose any tomato you would like. If you don't have any fresh tomato, you can also use a canned tomato. So we add, but I prefer fresh, better taste. And stir them all together. Do is we have to wait that the tomato cook and all juice come out, and I will show you a little bit later. Now I'm gonna add my pasta into the pot and just keep stirring them until all the juice incorporate all together. And add the spinach so that you got vegetables on it. All the ingredients are incorporated and all the juice are in to the pasta. I'm gonna add my the olives into. This is a simple to cook, easy to make as well. And it will take you 10 to 15 minutes, and it's healthy. Here's our tomato pasta. Enjoy. This recipe and cooking experience comes from the child request from our kinder room. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.